Good morning, guys. How are you?
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true.
Good morning, guys. How are you? Yes, I am starting laundry again. I opened that back door just so that be maybe a little bit better lighting instead of it always being yellow, but it is so hot and humid out. And it is only 7 o'clock in the morning, or not even 7 in the morning, but this is what it looks like so far. Guess you really can't see it because it's so bright. But let's just go ahead and get this laundry started. Good morning, Sammy Bear. Sammy. Good morning. Good morning, Sammy Bear. Good morning, Sammy. Hi, sleepy boy. Good morning. Rusty, did your mommy walk you out? Did your mommy lock you out? Guys, I did not film anything yesterday because I wasn't feeling good and I had a really bad sinus headache and everything, so I wanted to just go ahead and get something at least filmed to get put up for today. That is why I'm filming it this morning, and then once I stop filming this I will film the other film the rest of the day. I do still plan on filming the blindfolded makeup challenge. Maybe that will happen today since I'm feeling well a little bit better, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this so that I can get it put up by 9 a.m. and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button down below and leave me a comment. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
World. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion.